To help you better understand why coronavirus is so dangerous, we wanted to share a step-by-step look at what happens inside the body when it takes hold, and that's usually 5 to 12 days from infection. USA Today teamed up with several doctors to create these easy-to-follow graphics showing why we need to stay at least 6 feet away from each other. Nearby cough or sneeze droplets from someone who is sick enters primarily through your nose, but also through the eyes and mouth. Symptoms then start in the back of the throat with a dry cough, then comes a fever, muscle pain, and shortness of breath. But at this point, the symptoms are comparable to the flu, and this is where the coronavirus takes it a step further. It gets more severe when the infection goes down the windpipe and starts making its way into here, the lower respiratory tract. As it heads into the lungs, which are the major target, it can cause respiratory problems like bronchitis and pneumonia. That shortness of breath and coughing affects these tiny air sacs in the lungs here. Here's what a healthy air sac looks like, and here's how they look when they're inflamed by the virus and air space is filled with fluids. The airway just starts to swell, and then there's a decrease in airflow. That can lead to severe lung damage and the need for a ventilator. How many cases get this far? Well, the World Health Organization says the 14% of severe cases and 6% of critical cases are because the virus made its way down the windpipe into the lower respiratory tract. All this is a reminder to stay at least 6 feet away and keep washing your hands.